Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Schlage turn lock feature that is not working in 2026. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to check is the door alignment problem. So you need to try turning the thumb turn while the door is open. Now, if the lock works normally with the door open but struggles when the door is closed, the problem is usually caused by the door alignment or a tight strike plate. So Schlage support notes that latch resistance can interfere with the normal lock operation. So make sure that the deadbolt can extend and retract smoothly without any rubbing against the door frame. Now, if the thumb turn feels inconsistent or the lock responds slowly, you can just simply take a look at the batteries. So in this case, you just have to simply remove the inside battery cover. Afterwards, you just have to replace all the batteries, and then you just have to simply add the cover on top of it. Avoid the rechargeable batteries because Schlage warns they can cause the reliable lock behavior and power issues. So after replacing the batteries, you can also test the keypad and the turn lock feature again. Afterwards, you need to also remove the interior battery cover and check the cable connecting the inside and the outside section of the lock. Sometimes the loose or partially disconnected wire can prevent the lock from opening correctly even when the batteries are good. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the lock is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.